Okay, tomorrow is Thanksgiving in Canada, and I'm going to prepare my turkey. So I cleaned it, washed it well, and I'm just going to add my seasoning to it. So let's continue. So I have my usual concoctions. So because it's a large turkey, I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of salt to make my season combination. I have garlic, pepper, herb. I'm gonna do 1. Garlic powder. Cayenne pepper. Have jerk seasoning. I put jerk seasoning on everything. Black pepper. Have some savory chicken. Sorry. Some chili pepper. Paprika. All this season is just going up into much. Okay. Alright, so I drained off most of the water, but I still have a little bit of water in there, but that's fine. So I had this in the fridge overnight to defrost it, and I've washed it, and now I'm going to apply my seasoning to it. So alright, so I'm gonna use olive oil and mix it with some butter. I have ghee, which is this is clarified butter, so it is a form of Indian thing, and since I have it, I'm going to use it, and I'm going to add my herbs to the butter, ghee, olive oil mix. So add the seasoning. So this is pretty much going to be like the glue. Let it stick onto the chicken. Get it? We're just going to rub our seasoning in. Rub down the chicken, the turkey. Rub a dub. Get some underneath here. In and under. Okay. Put some of the dry seasoning up in here. Alright, so we're gonna put this in the fridge overnight. Of course, I have some onions, and I have some garlic. Okay. Sit overnight in that seasoning. Let's just stir everything in here. Okay. Alright. So come tomorrow. I'll throw this in the oven. And cook it nice. Okay, all right. Okay, so put this in the fridge, let it stay overnight and marinate in all this delicious seasoning, okay? And tomorrow we will start cooking in the morning so that everything is ready for dinner. Okay.